my chair in the chicken yard. And to the chickens, what this means is that I'm going to feed them treats. So let me see if I can get some mealworms in my hand and feed treats. There's Axel the rooster. And he wants some, and everybody else wants some. I hope I still have a hand left. Oh, Axel, you're such a pig. Some for Freya. Because Freya's way low on the pecking order. She doesn't get to come in with the group. The chickens have spent all day hanging out. And some for Maya. They spent all day hanging out underneath the shed. And I think this is because there was some sort of aerial predator. Oh, go get some, Ethel. That's good. And Axel kept them under the shed so they couldn't be taken by a predator. There's Ethel. And just lately they came out. They came out from under the shed. Axel gave the all clear. Chip stayed in the chicken yard. She didn't go out today. And I assume that was because she was afraid that the predators would get her. Who's that over there? It's Freya! And there's Maya! The Swedish flower hen. Yeah. Say hello, Ethel. Up. There's Ethel. Say hello, Pearl. Hi, Pearl. And there might be a few mealworms got missed over there. I'm going to try to get up and walk over to the pen where the little babies are. Some of them not so little anymore. They need treats too. They know, you see. They're all gathered waiting for me to come over there. Why does she come to feed us treats? Where is she? There's Honk Williams, who is I think a rooster, but he hasn't crowed. There he goes. And there's Sun and Moon, the silkies. The Moon is the gray one that's just sitting right there in the corner. And there is Rapunzel, who's a cochin, who has feathers on her legs. And outside the fence is Freya. And there goes Maya. They're all hoping. Anyway, I'm going to go over there. Well, this has been very unsuccessful. What happened was 4 of the little bitties ran out when I opened the door. I hope they can come back in. Yesterday, I was gonna go in the baby pen and show you the babies eating an ear of, a bunch of mealworms. But when I opened the gate, 5 babies ran out, so I wound up having to call somebody to help me round up the babies. Well, we did. We rounded up the babies. So now the big flock has already gotten their half a ear of corn. And so we're gonna go feed the babies half an ear of corn, and maybe we'll be able to video it, and maybe not. Here's old Robbie the cat, who just wants cat food, not corn. Good old Robbie. And beside me is Nala the cat. That would be N-A-L-L-E, Nala, a Swedish name. It's the nickname for Bjorn. In Swedish, Bjorn means bear. So Nala means teddy bear. That's how it's the nickname. And that's what I named the cat. And there's Black Pearl. What? You want more petting? Okay. She wants more. Nala's a bottle-fed baby. Found by the side of the road when she was like 2 weeks old. My daughter and I bottle-fed her. She's been around for about, she's been over here, I don't know, 8 years, something like that. A long time. And here's Robbie, wanting more petting. Tammy and Dolly getting something to drink over there. And here's the rest of the bunch, including Honk Williams there, waiting for me to feed him something. Okay, so let's see. It's the piranhas. Poor Honk, poor babies. There we go, Honk. Poor Honk, he's so shy. He's so big and so shy. Not in there with the rest of the screaming Mimis. There's the little guys. There's Dolly. And there's poor Son. Can't get into the mix. Okay, guys. I'm gonna throw it over there. Every man. Oh, Honk got away with the whole thing. Go Honk. Oh, they took it, huh? Oh well, sorry Honk. Nice try. Nice try, Honk. I don't think Son got anything. Too shy, Son. This is Honk, the big boy. Turn him to the side. Our big coaching boy, I guess. His name is Honk Williams because he doesn't crow, he honks. And he is the scaredest, sweetest little thing. Amazing that you could even catch him. He's also known as Raptor because he has such long legs. What a big fluffy boy. Oh, he's about 6 months old, I guess. Okay. I'm on the porch this morning with Isabella, drinking a little coffee. And I want to tell you about some of the chicken doings. I lost a chicken last week. She was an elderly one. Her name was Fire Rhodon. And I have no idea why she died. She just died. Just an old chicken. So I lost one there. Good thing I hatched a bunch more, huh? And I gave away Una. Una is going to get married in December to Scout, who's a rooster owned by a friend of mine. And the rooster needed a girlfriend, so so I gave Una to my friend Tammy. I also gave Tammy a daughter of Godzilla named Zillette, who's now named Princess Buttercup. And I forget why, but she needed a friend for another chicken named Dot, who's the same age. So I got rid of 2 chickens, and one died. So yeah, I'm down to 21 or something. And most of my chickens are underage. I don't have lots of eggs because the chickens are not of the egg-laying age yet. And the older ones are going through molt, so the eggs are few and far between, even though I have all these chickens. Okay, so here's Isabella on the porch. Isabella, come say hi. Oh yeah, all kinds of smells down there, aren't there? Yes, there are. Yes, Isabella on the porch. Oh, a car. Oh my goodness, an event has happened on Avenue E. Oh well. It rained. After a month of no rain, it suddenly rained, and now the 4 o'clocks are going crazy, growing everywhere. And I want to show you my beautiful Gerber daisies. Here we go. The Gerber daisies are going good. In one pot. In the other pot, not. And not only that, but look at this string of petunias. I just love them. They're hanging down from a pot. They survived the summer. Look at that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.